Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to import contacts on Brevo. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Brevo account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Brevo? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type brevo.com and that's going to take you into the official website for Brevo. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to sign up. And after creating your account, signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to import contact on Brevo. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left navigation panel where you have home, contact, campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. Go ahead and click on contact, and that's going to take you right into the contact list window where you can now organize your contacts and analyze how they interact with your brand. So from this window, this contact window, it says this is your contact database. From here, you can view, organize, and manage your contacts individually or as a group. Now, for you to import contact, all right, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the import contact option in here. So go ahead and click on import contacts. Okay, so right in this window, you can now import from a file, or you can just copy and paste the contact as text from a spreadsheet or similar list, and then import from another tool. So you can choose any of these options. So let's say we're using import from a file. So I'm just going to have to click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, so you can now upload the file, select a file containing your contacts to import. So you can click on this to select your file from your systems folder, or you can check this download example file if you want to. So that's pretty much how to do it. So just click on this and then upload it. You see that your contact list to be imported into Brevo. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.